Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at RomeAirportTransportation.com, a service dedicated to providing transportation to and from Rome's airports. Navigating airport transfers can often be stressful, particularly in a new city. Whether you're arriving at Fiumicino, FCO, or Ciampino, CIA, airport, pre-booking your transport can significantly alleviate the hassle of finding a taxi or navigating public transport, especially after a long flight. RomeAirportTransportation.com offers a range of options designed to meet varying needs and budgets. From private car services offering a more luxurious and personalized experience to shared shuttles which provide a cost-effective alternative, there seems to be something for everyone. It's worth exploring their website to compare the different services they offer and find the one that best suits your travel style and group size. Consider factors like the number of passengers, luggage capacity, and desired level of comfort when making your decision. Often, pre-booking online can also secure you a better rate compared to arranging transport on arrival. When planning your trip to Rome, researching and booking your airport transfer in advance through a service like RomeAirportTransportation.com can be a valuable step in ensuring a smooth and stress-free start to your Roman adventure. Remember to carefully review the details of your booking, including pickup points, times, and any specific instructions to avoid any confusion upon arrival. Hopefully, exploring this service can help streamline your travel plans and allow you to focus on enjoying the wonders of Rome. Be sure to check out their website for the most up-to-date information on pricing, availability, and vehicle options. They might even have special offers or discounts available, so it's definitely worth a look. A little planning can go a long way in making your trip more enjoyable and less stressful, so don't hesitate to consider pre-booking your airport transfer through RomeAirportTransportation.com.